Today I'm about to die. Don't know why. Could be true. Hope that I do. Nothing to lose, but my crew tell me you can see through my mask that I wear. No intention to scare. I just know you all care. The kid you once knew wasn't really out there. The ghost you know sees still living is rare when your luck run out. Elijah will hunt you and taught you to show you what the fuck fun's about. Trying to make myself feel the same as when the sun's not out. My brain's stunned out. This train runs out and we falling down above the.
Better been started, kid named Craig with a wooden leg. Smashed it off, beat him over the fucking head with a peg. Put a bed with a keg. Wake up at the 40. Mix it with alpha cells and reformula 44D. Fucking ass tab. I strapped the whole sheet to my forehead. Waited till it.
What's up, chat? I'm a little bit more awake, so I'm gonna redo the intro because I was just too tired when I was at the gym doing the intro. It was about 5:30 when I was at the gym, or when I got to the gym. I did go ahead and get a new haircut. I did talk to the barber. He told me he would talk to the owner and if it's okay if I could do the video. And they have been looking for someone to do a video. It's just everyone in town probably isn't what they're looking for. So hopefully I can go ahead and do that for them. Also coming up in a future video, I'm doing an interview with one of the graffiti artists in town, Get Well Soon. So be on the lookout for that. That's probably going to be the next video after this one. If you're an artist or someone who owns a sick car in town, hit me up or ask Michael here and we can get a video going. Also ask Michael if you need any car parts or anything installed and we can go ahead and also get content of that. I'm really just trying to record anything because it's fun. But yeah, I guess enjoy the gym content. I forgot my Beats headset, so I got my AirPods in. They're pretty good for working out, but I prefer my Beats. I'm not gonna lie. Sadly, it's time to head to work. There's a Mark V Supra over here on the lot, in the parking lot of the gym. Wish we had a business card go ahead and put on their car. Maybe we can do some aftermarket parts for them. Also, the barber shop is over here in the gym parking lot as well. They're also located over here on Tharp Street. Go ahead and check them out. This is some graffiti around town. I'm not sure when the interview is going to come out of Get Well Soon because I'm having to go home for because I'm going home for Thanksgiving, so I'm not sure when the interview is going to come out. But yeah, some cool graffiti around town. I can even just do some like cinematics of the graffiti all around town because there's so much of it. But yeah, this is Ocelot for those that can't read it. I also believe this is called a hollow when it's just an outline and there's no filling. This is also Ocelot. You can't really see it because of the glare, but that's a hand style tag. Here's a better angle of it. You probably see these more often than you do the other ones in your city. Damn, there used to be hella graffiti down this alleyway, but I guess they buffed it, which means they cleaned it up. You can see the paint that's right there and all the new paint. Getwell used to have a sick ass piece up here. Also got buffed, and it was with his friend Helios. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen because it was a sick spot, but they ended up getting it buffed. One of Getwell's characters, you can see right there the little smiley face on that building. How most people know him is through the smiley face, and they're all over town. Let me know which one's your favorite. Yeah.
Can you do my batteries? Please.
Okay, wide body scared. No, not the Subaru. That's all right, I know. First we got, you know, the ZL1. It's the what is it? The STI?
Yeah.
That's fire. Got the BMW. I don't know what series this is, but it's hard. It's 3 series, but I'm doing. Got my dog car right here. Slam on his face, you see it? There, you know, we got the 2SS right here. And the BMW bike.
Oh yeah.
The FD is crazy.
This is my first time ever seeing a Stan's car. Block
Really?
of wood. Yeah. I think he totaled the car, doesn't have it anymore.
That thing is so wide. That thing is so fucking wide. Why though is a very good.
That show was at ASM Get Low on the Strip in West Palm in like 2019. What question do you want to ask the graffiti artist?
How you start, where you started. I got a good one. What was the first tag he ever did and where? Because you got to get a picture of that. That would be really cool. The origin story of the motif, because I want to know how the fuck he came up with just the like the smiley face or whatever. Kind of raw.
Question you want to ask the graffiti artist?
What made you start doing this? Like, what inspired you? Type shit.
I'm just waiting on Gibbo's response for me to get ready to come over and stuff. So it'll probably be a separate video from this. I'm not really sure how it's gonna go. I don't really have like full production set up where I have like the lamps and stuff. I don't have all that. I used to have a ring light. I don't know where it went. But also like the backdrop. Got Alex's BRZ. That'd be a cool little backdrop while we're waiting. Hopefully it goes cool. I'm really not sure how this interview is gonna go, but we'll see.